Hello dears, good morning all. Welcome to the science class. So we are in the chapter body movements now, and we have to discuss the last part of this chapter, that is a gait of animals 8.2. That means in the previous part we learned that we need muscles and bones to move. But think about some of the animals such as cockroach, then earthworm, snail, etc. There is no bones or there is no skeletal system, but they are also showing movement. We have to see how they are showing the movement. Okay, just observe one earthworm. Okay, do you know what is this earthworm? Mannira. It is usually present in the soil at the time of this planting garden plants and also vegetables. You can see while we are turning the soil, we can see this kind of creatures are. The earthworm is usually known as a friend of farmer. That we study in lower classes. Why it is known as a friend of farmer? Because it is able to fertilize the soil, enrich the soil with the nourishment. Okay, that's why we can say usually in those eco-friendly areas, not in polluted areas, but in eco-friendly areas, we can see a large number of earthworms. Okay, and did you notice the movement of this earthworm ever? So when we are noticing that, we can see there is no bones. By the help of this ring-like muscles, it is moving its body from one place to another. Okay, what type of movement is there? It is not able to run very fast, but it is slow, showing a slight movement. Just take one earthworm and keep it over one glass slide. Okay, over one glass slide. Then observe its movement. How? By keeping it over or above your head and look below the glass, down through that glass we can see it is moving very slowly. But when we are observing it is in the glass, moving in the glass, it is not able to move very fastly because it is not getting any grip there. It can move only in the slippery areas, in the rough soil and others only it is able to move. Okay, we can see how it is. So at the time of movement, it is contracting or shortening its body muscles. First of all, it is fixing the back part of the body over the ground and pushing the front part of the body. So a special kind of pushing means extension like a rubber band. Okay, rubber band extend ചെയ്യുന്ന പോലെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? It may pushes the first part of this body to a short length. At that time, what is the condition? It is gripping by using the back part of the body. Back part of the body is still attached over the ground. At the same time, the front part is moving a bit. Okay. Second is the turn of the back part. At that time, the front part is this gripping over the ground, but relaxing the back part. It is extending the back part and result in the movement of the back part to a little forward. Okay, in this way, by doing extension, regular extension and also contraction, it is moving its body from one part to another part in slight, okay, small little or locomotion is only there. Another one is a snail. The same way we can see it is also in the garden and also ponds, and in any wet areas we can see the snail, and there is no bones. We can see one hard structure that is only present over the body, that is the shell. It is usually using for shelter, this hard one, not for movement. So in case of this snail, we can see when we are observing the same way that we used to observe the earthworm. Take it over one glass plate and look from the side below or beneath. So we can see it may comes out from the shell. At first, the head is coming out. Okay, slowly, what we can see just underside of the body is small at the same time strong. Muscular foods are also there. These muscular foods helps in moving the snail. That's very slow or very slight or very little movement. That is by the help of this muscular foot. Another creature, that is a cockroach. Cockroach is present everywhere in our house. Okay, what they are doing, how they are this moving? Did you ever notice that? They can fly, at the same time they can walk. For flying purpose they have the wings, especially designed wings are there. These wings are usually covered by hard skeleton. Outer skeleton is there. This hard part is called the outer skeleton or exoskeleton. In higher classes you will study what is this exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Okay, so this hard outer skeleton over the wings and others helps allow it to fly very smoothly in the air. Like that we can see the jointed legs also. This legs helps in walking. So we can say cockroaches, they can walk as well as fly in air. Another creature, that is a bird. Like cockroach, it is also able to walk and also able to fly. So, like that of the human beings and other kind of animals, the birds are also with four limbs. That means two hands and also two legs. The two hands or the two forelimbs, they are modified as wings. Okay, when we are observing the bones present in these wings, we can see it is same like that of the bones present in our hand. Okay, so in higher classes we will study what are the similarities existing in these organisms. Okay, so what is the peculiarity of this body or bones of these birds? You know, the bones are too light, hollow pipes are there. Okay, cavities are empty, and this empty cavity is make the bones lightweight. This lightweight bones make the body as also lightweight. This lightweight body allow it to fly in air. It's very strong shoulder bones and very strong breast bones. All this enable the animal to fly very fastly in air. Another creature, that is a fish, aquatic animal present in water. We know that aquatic animals, most of the aquatic animals, they have a special body shape which enable the animal to move very fastly in water as well as air also. Those animals, they are this moving in the air, they are also usually exhibiting the same shape. Can you say what is this shape that we studied in lower classes? That is a streamlined body shape. Okay, so the fishes, they have the streamlined body shape, that is the boat shape. One activity is there is a playing with a paper boat in water. So this activity is for what? To get an idea about the shape of this fish and how this shape allow this animal to move very clearly or smoothly in water. In figure 8.24 you can see how the fish is pushing its body as a whole. Okay, the skeleton of the body, the fishes has two types of skeleton. Outer side skeleton is there, at the same time endoskeleton, that is inside in the body also we can see the skeleton. Okay, then by using the skeleton and also muscles attached to this with the skeleton, the fish can make curves or sudden jerks. These curves or sudden jerks help the body to push very easily. So how this is it is doing during swimming? Muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side, and the tail part enable the body to move in the opposite side. So this may makes is kind of loop. This looping allow the fish to move forward. Okay, and also it has the fins are there on both sides of the body. This also helps the fish to move and also to balance its body. For balancing, the fins help. Another animal that we have to study, that is the snakes. The movement of the snake is quite wonderful. Don't you like to see the movement? If you are watching the Animal Planet and others, we can see this that beautiful, wonderful movement of this snake. How it is moving? The body endoskeleton is there. For snake, strong muscles are there. There is no legs, but a long backbone is there. Okay. The snake's body curves into many loops. Loop means വളവ് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ വളവുകളായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ പോകും. Okay, each loop of the snake gives it a forward push. It can this push its body forward. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives this push, the snake moves forward very fastly. Okay. So these are the different ways by which the different animals are moving. In higher classes, we will study the detailed ways taken by, followed by, or exhibited by different kind of animals, different types of animals and different body parts also. Okay, thank you.